If you're planning to buy a sewing machine for yourself or for anybody, don't just go by just simple review checking or simply reading some reviews and all. Understand what is your need, what is your requirement, and what is your budget. Because just like every person is different, your work requirement may be different, and that's why the sewing machine, the machine that you're going to buy, that must meet your requirement and needs. So in this video, I am sharing a very useful and practical tool with you so that you can choose your sewing machine, the best one as per your need, requirement and budget. And if you need my guidance, my requirement, then also you have this free consultation call where you can directly take my advice based on your specific needs, so that I can understand what exactly you need and I can suggest you personally. Because what happens in all the channels like Stitching Mall Hindi channel, Stitching Mall this channel, and Dimple Anand channel also, I get so many requests, and even on the website and other places also I get so many requests where people just ask me what is the best sewing machine. So don't just go randomly, let's go scientifically, understand things properly. You can find this consultation guide on stitchingmall.com. So when you go to the website, there you can either book your free consultation, or I suggest that you come a little down, and this is free sewing machine consultation. So here you can learn to choose your stitching machine or your sewing machine in most practical way by understanding your needs, requirement and budget. So when you book your call or your consultation, these forms open up. There would be some basic discovery questions so that we could understand what exactly are your needs. The first question is which machine you have right now. If you don't have sewing machine, you never used any machine, of course you will be needing a different machine than if you are already having an electric machine, or if you are having old manual machine and now you want to upgrade. So this is one scenario. So the purpose of having a sewing machine may also differ. Like, what is the purpose of your needing a sewing machine? Whether it is just for occasional alterations and mending, you want to do just your kids or your own DIY sewing projects, or you want a full-fledged dress designing and fashion designing, or you want a sewing machine only for embroidery purpose in your boutique. Even if it is a home boutique, you need just embroidery machine rather than a full-on your sewing machine. And then your requirement could be of just an overlock machine or a serger. So these are different categories where you can choose even more than one category also. So what is the most important for you in a sewing machine? What do you want? Do you want fast stitching speed, more inbuilt embroidery designs? Machine should be most durable, or machine should be budget friendly? Should there be good sales service, or should there be easy spare parts availability? Whether machine should be electric or manual. Now some of you may think that this is just a given, I need all of them. See, some machines may offer you some of these features, and some machines, some sewing machine companies may not be able to give you all of these features. So here you have to make a choice what exactly matters to you. So I suggest you just pick 3 or 4 options from these options, so that based on that you could come up with the most suitable machine for yourself, right? Like if you want a fast stitching speed, then maybe a heavy duty machine is right for you. But a heavy duty machine may not be a budget friendly machine, that may be a costlier machine. Same way, if you want most durable machine, then most durable machine may not be a budget friendly machine, and in that most budget friendly machine, spare parts or after sales service may not be available. So here you have to make choice. And secondly, if you want most inbuilt embroidery designs, then the stitching speed may need some compromise. So here you have to choose what exactly you need. Now you go to the next page. Second page is know your sewing machine needs. What stitches are must for your work? So if you want just a straight stitch or zigzag, you can notice that. Or if you have any other requirement, then you can just say any other. So straight stitch and zigzag, generally a combination of these two stitches make different embroidery designs and different stitches. So what functions you want in your machine? So of course, straight stitch and reverse stitch you want. You may need picot, zip fixing, fixing, buttonhole, zigzag designs. So you may require designing and embroidery, or you may require sari fall fixing. So whatever you need, you can put all of them. So what is your number one goal right now? So here you have to choose wisely. See, I'm a beginner and want a basic safe sewing machine. I'm stitching for some time, want to upgrade my old machine. I'm a fashion maker, I want a fast advanced sewing machine. So you can choose as per your need, as per your requirement. Then have you done any research? If you have done any research to buy any particular sewing machine, if you have any brand, model, speed or stitches choice, you can mention here. After that, when do you want to buy sewing machine? So I say immediately, and then you can go to the next page. So this third part is know your sewing machine requirement. So why sewing machine buying is important for you? So here, what sewing machine brand you like? There may be many brands that are in your mind, but in India, most of these three brands are prominently in popular and people buy them. So it could be Singer, Usha Janome, Brother. So any of the brands you can choose. You can choose Usha Janome or you can choose Singer. So whatever you want to choose. So here, next question is what machine type you want to buy. There are different, very few people know this. There are many models, many types of sewing machines. So here you have to choose wisely whether you want a manual machine that is hand operated, but that will require more handwork. Basically straight stitch and reverse stitch. So this is one hand operated machine. Second is treadle machine, that is feet operated but a manual machine. Then you get umbrella machine. This is electric machine usually used in boutiques or where you want heavy duty work like clothing production. Then you have a regular domestic use automatic zigzag machine, or you may have a boutique use heavy duty zigzag machine, a computerized machine, commercial embroidery in a boutique where you need. There you can have a computerized machine, or you may require a manual overlocker or interlocker for your boutique, or maybe if you have more budget, you may go for serger, hosiery clothes also, banyan clothes also, and you can serge well. So it is a better version of overlocker. So what is your purpose? So here, suppose I choose boutique use automatic zigzag machine. So here you can choose among these machines. And after that, what is your purpose to buy sewing machine? Home use, boutique use. So whatever is your purpose, you can decide that, and then we go to next. The part 4 is know your sewing machine budget. So here you can understand where you want to buy machine. Online, offline, I will buy from anywhere if machine is good. So maybe this is a good idea. Or in fact, I like buying online. So that's a good idea because it is hassle free. I don't have to go anywhere. So what sewing machine you want to buy? I want a brand new machine. I don't want to go to for second hand or old machine because there may be some issues related to that. So what is your budget to buy a sewing machine? Generally, my budget is 20,000 plus because I need a more durable machine. So here, additional information if you have, you can put it here, and after that you submit the form. Here I give one link to stitchingmall.com, but this stitchingmall.com you can check after submitting the form. So you submit the form, and after submitting the form, you can also edit your response or submit another response. After filling the form, you can again go to stitchingmall.com, and here you have different resources. For example, if you go to the stitching machines, you'll go to this checklist to choose your best sewing machine. So here also you'll get this form if you didn't get it filled on homepage, and here there are certain more details. So should you choose more built-in designs or more speed, you should have a plastic body, or machine should be durable in a plastic body. What exactly should you look for in your sewing machine? How much SPM you need if you are a beginner, or if you are a pro, then what should be the SPM? So here what are the functions, many things which are given here that will help you choose your sewing machine. These are the options, and these are the questions and comments. Some of the videos are also given. So here best reviews are given on stitchingmall.com that you can check out, and that's how you can choose best sewing machine for yourself. I'm sure this guide, this consultation call will help you choose the best sewing machine for you. So let me know in the comment section if any other feature, any other tool you would want me to create or share with you. Take care. God bless you. See you in the next video.